Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru is the creator, Guru is the preserver, Guru Deva is destroyer, Guru is the absolute God himself. Salutation to all Shri Gurus. Good morning to one and all. My name is Manekshaw House. I study in class IIIA and we are the students of Manekshaw House going to present today's assembly. Let's start. Prayer keeps the mind fresh. All of you join your hands, close your eyes, bow your head and start the prayer. Now I would like to perform my first school pledge. Take your pledge position. India is my country. And all Indians are. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am. Proud of it. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elder respect. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India's well-being and prosperity alone. That's my happiness. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Manekshaw. I study in class IIIA. My thought of the day is: if you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face. I repeat my thought: if you have good thoughts, they will shine out of your face. Thank you. Have a good day. Over to Sarvani.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Keshavan. I study in class 3. My thought of the day is: listen to everyone and learn from everyone, because nobody knows everything, but everyone knows something. I repeat my thought: listen to everyone and learn from everyone, because nobody knows everything, but everyone knows something. Thank you. Have a great day. Over to Vinita. To one and all, my name is Manekshaw. I read in class 3. Today I am going to tell you a moral story. Moral story's title is The Elephant and the Ant. Once upon a time, there was a proud elephant who always bullied small animals. Then he would go to the ants' hill and spray water at them. But ants were small in size, so they could not do anything. But they cried, and the elephant just laughed and enjoyed it all. One day, the ants thought to teach a lesson to him, and they went into elephant's trunk and started biting it. But elephant could not do anything, but he wasn't very big. Then he realized his mistake and apologized to him and all the animals he bullied. Moral of the story is: be humble and be kind to everyone. Over to Divisha. Attention! Stand at ease. Good morning. My name is Adita. I am studying in class 2A. Look forward. My thought of the day is: honesty is the best policy. I repeat my thought. Honesty is the best policy. Over to
morning everyone, I am Lakshan with today's news headlines. News number 1. Rajya Sabha Chairman and Vice President of India Jagdeep Dhankar said disruptions of House processing were not sending good signals. News number 2. Argentina has become the new world champion of FIFA World Cup football after defeating France in penalty shootout. Thank you. Have a good day.